For the last 30 days, I've been trying this new side hustle that I'm really excited to share with you in this video. I'm gonna show you the results I get from selling on TikTok shops because that's the side hustle I'm talking about. The side hustle is dropshipping on TikTok shop from eBay, and I'm gonna explain it how to do it. I'm gonna show you the results. I'm gonna show you the realistic results from those 30 days. All the steps you need to do, which are not really hard to be honest with you. And if you follow these steps, you're probably gonna get the similar results just like I did. And I'm kind of sure that you're gonna get similar results because I have people on my Discord sharing similar screenshots with similar results that I'm having. So get comfortable, relax, whatever you're watching me. If you're in the toilet, hey, finish your business and put your phone in the theater mode. If you're watching on me on big screen, hey, I appreciate you. That's the way you should watch my videos. But let's get to it. So as I mentioned earlier, the side hustle is dropshipping on TikTok shops from eBay. And if you don't know what the TikTok shop is, it's basically a TikTok page where you can sell products. And the cool thing about TikTok is that they will advertise your TikTok shop for free on TikTok, on other TikTok videos, on other content creator pages for free. Well, there's a little fee they take, but it's very small. From what I have noticed, the fee is about 1-2%, but I'm gonna talk about fees in a minute. And if you are not a TikTok person, don't worry about it. I'm not a TikTok person either. I don't really spend too much time on TikTok. My preferred social media is YouTube and Instagram. And the TikTok shop page I opened has no videos. I never posted a video over there. I never created content. It's a pretty blank page, but other people has advertised my products from my shop, and they did that because I offer an affiliate commission for them. So every time they share my product, they get 15% for each sale. So there's an incentive for them to advertise my shop and my products because they get money from it basically. TikTok shops currently are available in a few countries. It includes US, UK, and 7 countries in Asia. I'm sure they're gonna come to Europe pretty soon. So if you are my fellow European friend, bonjour, and just stay patient. By the way, I just spent 3 months in Europe and I just came back to my old house in US. And I'm really happy because I have all this cool stuff here that I didn't have when I was traveling. But when I was traveling, my TikTok shop has been busy working for me and making money. And as I said earlier, I used eBay as my supplier. For some of you, that might be a shock that I've been using eBay as a supplier because that's not something that a lot of people do. And for others, those of you that have been following me for years now, you know that I've been using eBay for a while now because eBay is great. It's located in US, has a variety of different products. A lot of them are cheap, and they ship them within like a couple days. Why you want to use all these Chinese suppliers when you have eBay people selling eBay products super cheap? So that's my philosophy. But you are probably curious what type of products I've been selling on TikTok shops. And the answer is anything related to phones, iPhones, Androids, all of that. So iPhone cases are great. And literally you can pick any of those from the top of the list. As long as they offer free shipping, they deliver them within 3 to 4 business days and have indications that this product has been selling. For example, this one is showing you that it's sold 209 times. So that's probably a good product. Here's another one, 326 sold, 429. So these are probably good iPhone cases that you can sell. And the way I would price them on TikTok is I would charge them double or maybe even more than that. So for example, if this iPhone case costs $7.97, I would probably add $12 on top of it, which is almost 20 bucks because this is $8 basically plus 12, that's $20. So I would charge maybe like $19.99 for this iPhone case and sell it on TikTok. So iPhone cases had been my #1 selling product. I tried some other products as well, such as cheap jewelry or Halloween decorations because Halloween is coming up too. And I actually got pretty good results with these items too. It's just the iPhone cases seems to be #1 seller for me. So this is my TikTok dashboard. I want to show you how many products I have on my account. I'm currently sitting at 695 listings. However, 21 of them has been suspended. So only 673 are active, which is still a pretty good number. Here's the tip for you guys when you start listing products, because I've been seeing this question a lot. You have to create a shipping template. And for your shipping template, make sure that you have set up based on product weight, and then you offer standard and economy shipping. Do not pick express shipping because you won't be able to fulfill your orders. And once you have your shipping template set up, make sure to go to the shipping options right here and then scroll down and make sure that you select ship by seller as preferred, and you have both of these options selected just like me. And then once you receive an order, like I have it right here, and you want to add a tracking number, you're going to hover your mouse to the right of the order, and then you're going to have a button that says add tracking number. I already added the tracking number for this product, so I'm only able to edit it right here. And by the way, this order is for the product from the DropshipFriendly. So DropshipFriendly is a website that I am a co-founder of. We offer products that you can dropship on any platform you want. Here's a list of some of the products that we offer. So if you want to use as a supplier, go for it. I've been actually selling some of the products myself. This cross and this headband is actually doing very well if you want to try it out. But the item you saw I listed is this men's hip hop basketball hoop necklace. Sorry, it actually sold out. We have to order more. But like this item costs $6.75 on our website and I sold it for $15.75. So basically a little bit more than a double that what you can buy it from DropshipFriendly. So once you get the order on TikTok, you have to go on your supplier website, which in my case is eBay or DropshipFriendly. I go on eBay, I pick the product that my customer has ordered from me, and I order it using my customer information. So I copy the name and the shipping address that my customer has provided. I copy that and paste it onto eBay or DropshipFriendly, and they will send it to my customer without me having to be involved. And once I receive the tracking number from my supplier, I upload it to TikTok Shop, and boom, then I have to wait for the money to come in. And speaking of money, let me show you how much I made from dropshipping on TikTok. So I'm gonna go to the finance tab right here. And before I show you the numbers, I just wanna say one thing. TikTok is very messy with the financial statements. The numbers you're gonna see here are actually not accurate, but I think I figured out the way to show you the most accurate version of it. The reason being why they're messy is because their numbers are constantly changing. There's affiliate commissions that I have to pay for the products. There are some random fees that just show up. So it's all over the place. But let me show you the numbers. So here's the data. Here are the payouts I received from TikTok. So for example, here's one payout that they sent me $40 and I paid $3.91 in fees. So the fees are very low, but let me tell you how much I actually made in sales. So as you can see right here, I have a number that says $1,226.08 waiting settlement, meaning I'm gonna receive that money in the next couple of days or weeks. So that's the money I'm waiting to receive. And on top of that, we have to add the number that they already pay out to me during the last month. And to do that, I'm gonna use the TikTok Shop app on my phone because for some reason they show that on the phone, but they don't show it here on the computer version. So let me show you this really quick. So I hope you can see this. So this is how much they already paid me. So it's $1,041. So to get accurate number how much I made so far, we have to add this number, that 1,200 plus the 1,000 they already paid to me, and that gives us $2,268 in sales. So that's not profit yet, but the actual profit after the fees, after some returns I had to do, it's about 50% from that number. I'm saying about because again, the data is not really accurate. I have to update my financial statement every time TikTok releases those statements, but it is about 1,100 in pure profit. Speaking of TikTok shops, I'm gonna release a full in-depth training tutorial. It's gonna be available to my YouTube members. This video is gonna be released either this week or the next one. It's gonna be like an in-depth tutorial of what I did, step by step, everything. It's almost like a course. So make sure to check this out. Also, if you join my YouTube membership, you're gonna get the list of dropshipping products that I use for this TikTok shop, as well as other benefits related to selling Etsy AI products, access to our Discord, access to our weekly meetings. I started having more meetings this week. Instead of one that we usually had, now we have 3. I'm gonna test it out if people are interested in doing more meetings. And if you wanna join my YouTube memberships, there's a link down below that says join. Just click on it and read the instructions of what to do. But that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time, my friend, and take care.